Welcome back. This is Douglas Dennis, founder of Winning International Inc. We're talking happiness, health, and wealth daily. So today, this video is about health. We're talking about how to alkalize your body, your blood in 5 minutes. Yes, it's real. How to do it, I'm going to do it with you, right in front of you, and you should be able to know exactly how to do it by the end of this video. So just a little bit of background about myself. I've been doing wrestling, martial arts, all kinds of fitness since I was 5 years old. I actually don't like wrestling, so I shouldn't say that. But I've been doing this kind of thing my whole life. So I've done meditation classes, meditation seminars. I've done all kinds of stuff like this. So this is probably the best, or one of the best things I've ever found, as far as, and I've been doing something like this myself, but to have something that someone already developed, and Wim Hof is a man's name if you don't know, and he has teams of doctors studying him and stuff now. So this is no longer called pseudoscience. This is now has been well documented. So if you haven't, check out Wim Hof later. There's a bunch of documentaries about him, but this video is just going to be less than 10 minutes. So let's get right into it. So here's the Wim Hof breathing technique. Here's how to raise your oxygen in your blood, alkalize your body very, very quickly. Also, if you're having an anxiety attack or depressed or even constipated, this can help with other things. So check out my other videos if you want to know more about how to feel amazing naturally. But let's go. So the basic idea of the Wim Hof breathing, and I use this bracelet just to help me count. So this has 11 beads. So basically I count like 33 times. So basically you want to do 30 or 40 breaths, and then breathe all the way out and hold it. Then when you start gasping, when you start feeling to gasp for air, you breathe all the way in and hold it for a few seconds. So then you do that 3 times. So that's it. It's pretty simple, but let me show you how it works. So I'm going to have these in my hand just so I count. I'm not going to get exactly 30, but it's fine. Also, you can breathe. I breathe differently depending on my mood or like how I'm going into it. So sometimes I'm like really gasping, but I'm just going to wing it this time, and you can feel it out for yourself. So that was the first time. I'm going to do the second one, and it should start feeling increasingly better. So I felt it almost happen on that one, but this time it's taking me some time, so it must have been. I was feeling pretty crummy, honestly. For usual, I mean, I'm usually jumping up and down. So here's my third one. All right, so we're at 10 minutes. Now you can go back to normal breathing. I want to end the video. I did spend a few minutes talking, so this should take you only like 5, 6, 7 minutes. And I could have held that last one a little longer, but I did want to keep this video short. But I'm feeling it for sure. So you'll start feeling waves going through your body, and just start feeling really interesting, like your blood will be really pumping. So sometimes you feel it on the first set. Sometimes it takes you 3 sets. If you still want to do another one, do a 4th one. This only takes a couple minutes, as you can see. So that's it. I hope you like it. Try it out and tell me in the comments how you're feeling and how you liked it. I did this every day for a few months when I was really feeling like garbage a couple years ago, and it helped me out a lot with other things. So if you got some value out of this, subscribe. I'm coming with more and more videos, how to be happy, healthy, and wealthy. So have an amazing day on purpose. It's not just going to happen to you accidentally. You're going to have to make it happen. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.